Welcome back to another video. This is Kamora. Okay. Well, I know my back screen looking kind of plain. But anyways, let's get into the video. So, I'm playing Movie Planet. I made me an account since yesterday, and I got VIP on it. I got a week VIP and I got a month VIP because I wanted some more money on there. And I have a boyfriend now on here, and if you think I should do a prank on him, let me know in the comments, because I don't mind doing a prank on him because he knows he's not leaving me. But anyways, we're gonna log into my account. Y'all can add me. It's XNAVEHX. So yeah, but basically what I'm doing, I'm gonna show you guys my summer clothes that I bought. And I know this is a kid's game, but really it's a teenager game. I could play if I want to. I'm only 15. I just started back playing this damn game again, so don't judge me, because I used to love the fuck out of this game, no lie. And I don't like telling people that I'm doing videos because they'll start blowing me up. So actually I'm finna go on hide and then show you guys. Oh yeah. And okay, hold on. Let me show you guys my boyfriend. I'm going way too fast for y'all, I think. Anyways, this is my boyfriend's friend, best friend, and we got really close. I don't know how, but we just did. Oh my god. If you like that, you should check out my actual movie on Facebook. Okay, I will check it out. Okay. And I don't really say much on him. Oh yeah. Yeah, I just be changing my outfit, making friends. And this is what's on my wish list. If y'all want to, y'all can buy my wish list. I don't mind. But anyways, oh yeah, and my boyfriend, he gave me, what did he give me? He gave me a whole, my whole wish list right here, and that too. And I gotta tell you guys something. If y'all would, could y'all please block and report this bitch, because she scammed me last night. So I gave her 5 items. She was like, if you give me 5 items, I will give you 5 items back, but they will be rares. So I sent her 5 gifts, but they were gifts that I didn't care about, but still she scammed me. So if y'all could, please go report her. And she's wearing the shit right now. What the fuck? She think that shit's cool. No, sis. You scammed me, bitch. Sorry. Sorry, not sorry, baby. Anyways, this is my boyfriend. Do not even try to take my man's, okay? Because, yeah. Ew, twins. We're both on the same fucking level. He was just online, but he had to go out with his family because what did he say? He was he's going to go milk some cows or some shit like that. I don't know. He said he's not really into cows or whatever, but I'm not either. Them shits stink and all that shit. Anyways, I'm gonna show you guys a couple of my outfits, and yeah, I'm gonna make a couple of outfits for you guys. So I already know I have a lot of clothes right now, but it's okay because yeah, it's fine. Really, this is a cute outfit, but really the skirt goes with this. So yeah, I would wear this. Yeah, this is a cute outfit. And what should I catch? Okay, we're gonna make another outfit. So I have this gold that I've been wearing. And I love these new jeans that I bought. So yeah, these are all summer looks, by the way. So yeah. I don't know, I'm just doing like colors, I guess. Because I do have like a lot of colors that I'd be using. Okay, we're gonna do red this time. Red. I have, oh my god, this outfit, y'all gonna love this outfit. Where's the hair? It's right here. Or I can use this blonde. But I think that goes best. And then wear these little slides. Red. And then I get some fangs. Okay. My mom cannot do this for shit. Okay. That shit is so fucking easy. I don't know how you couldn't be able to do it. Anyways. Yellow. This is my yellow outfit. Ooh, this is not good. Okay, yeah, there it goes. Should I wear the jacket? Yeah, that does go good. And then the hair, I don't know. I think this one goes good. Okay, yellow. What color am I missing now? I just sometimes be having to go through my stuff and then look for it. Oh, those hoops are so cute, bro. Oh yeah, and I got this ultra hair. Oh my god, this girl sent it to me. If y'all could, I'm gonna show you guys after, but yeah, she's so nice. Girl. Okay, so yeah, I'm pretty much done with this. Y'all get the point. Whatever. They don't need me. I got lucky. Why they change their mind? Love your outfit, babe. He's so nice, guys, and I honestly want to do a prank on him like tonight if you guys comment. But he's like so nice, but it's like I don't know. He's like a goofy person. He always laughs at everything. You look good in your. Is that your favorite color? Dang. No, pink is actually. They don't. My uncle got the cow, so they only need to fix the fence. They don't trust me with the hammer, so I'm free. Oh yay! What time would you use it? Interesting. Yeah. Very. Anyways, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, and the art book, please go look at my art books, comment, help me on this one. This one's so funny. So it was like, help, I'm out, I'm running out of time, school's starting, I need help to get these pimps off my face. 30 likes and they will come off. So yeah, I still don't have 30 likes, I have 3. That's a total difference. Anyways, oh yeah, this is the girl that gave me the ultra rare. She gave it to me out of nowhere though. Like, and then she gave me like 3 other things, like some pants and some other stuff. But she's really nice, I'm not gonna lie. So please add her. And she's a good friend too. Actually, I'm gonna give her autograph because I can. And I will. Like I said though, thanks for watching. I'll come back for another video. Let me know what I should do in my next video. Bye.